customers. Your next service to depart from platform 3 will be the 8:34 Craigieburn, stopping all stations to Craigieburn via Flinders Street. Your next service to depart from platform 3 will be the 8:34 Craigieburn, stopping all stations to Craigieburn via Flinders Street.
Morning passengers, train approaching on platform 3, 8:34 Craigieburn service. For your safety and for others, please stay behind the yellow line until the train comes to complete halt. Please allow passengers to disembark before your boarding. Morning passengers, welcome to Parliament Station. Please exit the train quickly and safely as possible. As you exit, please move away from the train and yellow line. Keep your Mikey handy to exit the station. Please finish your boarding. Train departing. Stand clear. Passengers requiring lift access, please head to Lonsdale Street end of the train, end of the platform. Apology for that. If you are going towards Collins, MacArthur or Bark exit, please use the front exit.